Top 3 high-end blenders for busy families. Hi! In this video, I'm sharing the top 3 high-end blenders found onto the market that are perfect for meal prep, smoothie days, and even those cozy soup nights. These are premium blenders, all over $100, that will truly make your life easier and healthier. I'll walk you through the pros and cons of each product, so you can choose what fits best for your family's routine. All the product links are right below in the video description, and if this kind of review helps, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We've got more family-friendly gear reviews coming your way. All right, let's dive in. Starting with number 3, Blendtec Designer 575. This blender is a real powerhouse, with 3.8 horsepower and smart touchscreen controls. It's like having a mini robot chef in your kitchen. Here's what's great about it. Super strong motor that can handle even frozen fruits and nuts. Touchscreen display with 6 automatic settings, smoothies, soups, frozen treats, and more. 100-speed manual slider. Yes, 100. Total control. It even gives you real-time tips on the screen. So cool, right? What's not so perfect? It does have a bit of a learning curve if you're more used to simple knobs and buttons, and it's not exactly quiet. It gets a little loud on high speeds. Teuko advice: if you're tech-savvy or love precision blending, this one will feel like magic. But maybe wear earbuds if you're using it before school drop-off. 2. Breville Super Q. The quiet genius. This one's got the looks, the power, and the quietest blending in the bunch, which is such a blessing when you've got little ones napping or teens doing homework. And why do we love it? Whisper quiet motor. Seriously, it's the most peaceful smoothie you'll ever make. Also, it comes with preset programs for smoothies, soups, ice crushing, and even cleaning. It's compatible with Breville's Vacuum accessory, which is a vacuum system that removes air before blending for smoother, brighter results. Your green smoothies will look amazing. And lastly, it also comes with a personal blender cup for your grab-and-go mornings. Watch out for the price tag that is a little higher. There's a bit more going on. Different buttons, accessories, so it might take a minute to get used to it. And the 10-year warranty is solid, but not as legendary as Vitamix's. Teuko advice: this is a great pick if you're looking for quiet performance and easy presets. Perfect for busy mornings when you just want to press one button and move on. 1. Vitamix P200, the classic queen of blending. This blender has been around for a while, and for good reason. It's strong, simple, and basically built to last longer than your kids' picky eating phase. It's ultra powerful. It blends soups until they're steaming hot with just friction. Manual control lets you get exactly the texture you want. It cleans itself in 30 seconds with just warm water and dish soap. And best of all, it's known to last for a decade or more. What to keep in mind: it's a bit loud, definitely not whisper quiet. It doesn't have fancy presets. You'll need to keep an eye on the blend time, and its tall pitcher might not fit under all cabinets. Check your shelf height. Teuko advice: if you're looking for a no-nonsense, long-lasting blender that just works, this is it. Great for everything from baby purees to sneaky veggie smoothies for older kids. So there you have it, our top 3 high-end blenders. Number 3, Blendtec Designer 575, smart and powerful. 2. Breville Super Q, quiet and modern. 1. Vitamix 5200, reliable and time-tested. Each one is great in its own way. If you're tech-focused, the Blendtec is fun. Want quiet? Go with the Breville. Want it to just last forever? Vitamix is your girl. Let me know in the comments which one fits your family's lifestyle. And don't forget, the links to all these are in the description below if you want to check them out. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more mom-approved reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.